Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be reinstalling my Wig Warehouse bob wig. I did cut it a bit, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm starting off with the ball cap. I am using the sheer stockings. If you know, you know, and if you don't, I don't know what to tell you, but this gives you a seamless ball cap. I am just cutting off the lace. I already applied the glue and everything. I waited till it dried, like fully dried, and now I'm cutting off the extra cap. I keep saying lace, but the extra cap. I did cut a hole behind my ear to place it around my ear, if that makes any sense, but I did that off camera. I am using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I'm placing it all over my cap. That will make your lace look like scalp. This wig is from Wig Warehouse, and it is a reinstall. I did style it before placing it on my head. I believe I did do a short on this. You guys can go to my shorts to see the video. I'm placing the same cream foundation all over my lace. This is to do the same thing, to blend in perfectly and make it look like scalp. Now I'm just going to throw the wig on my head to place it before adding the glue. I just want to place it perfectly, so I'm just measuring it to see if it is in the right position before adding the glue. The lace glue I'm using can be found on my website. I will leave the link down below. And I'm just adding 3 coats. I don't believe I showed that on camera, but I will be using 3 coats of glue. Now I'm just smudging that out with the back of the edge brush. And as you guys can see, I am doing it from the lace to my scalp, lace to my scalp. I'm not swiping across. Sometimes I swipe across, but sometimes I don't. But the proper way to do it is from the lace to your scalp. I mean the lace to your forehead. Now I'm gonna be pulling the wig forward onto the glue to blend it in. If you're a beginner, you can use the comb for this part, but I am using my hands because I'm so used to doing this. So I'm just using my hands to place it on the glue, and then I'm gonna be using a makeup brush to blend it in a little bit more. As you guys can see that my hair is already blended without me even using makeup, but I'm just going to be using makeup anyways. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just using the makeup brush to apply the makeup on the edges. To get an even more seamless melt, I am using spritz and just spraying it onto my finger and then tapping it into the lace. This will make your wig last longer. My wigs usually last me 2 weeks if I'm not in between wigs, like trying to promote any wigs. It usually lasts me 2 weeks. Now I'm just going to be tying the elastic band on the end of the lace to melt it. Now I'm just removing the elastic band to show you guys what the lace looks like. It looks good like this, but I'm going to be adding some baby hairs. I'm going to be flat ironing my hair, so I'm just going to be using the heat protectant BTZ spray. This spray can be found in my Amazon storefront. I will leave the link down below as well. Now I'm going to be flat ironing my hair a bit more using the chase method. I'm going to be using the comb and then chasing it with the flat iron, if that makes any sense. So for this part, for some reason I didn't record the ending, but I did do a short on it. This is how I do my baby hairs. I cut it off with a scissor. I use a flat iron, a mini flat iron, to curl it, and then I use mousse. For the full baby hair tutorial, you guys can look at my shorts because I forgot to record that part. But this is pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.